The flywheel rotation tool for Iveco applies to FPT engines. This tool is used for any operation requiring the rotation of the engine, such as the distribution phasing, valve adjustment, or camshaft position setting. In Jaltes, there are procedures where reference to this type of tool is made. Here's an example with Jaltes in an Iveco Stralis Euro 4, Euro 5 and EV truck for the procedure of the distribution phasing. We select the vehicle type, truck, the truck brand, Iveco, and the family Stralis Euro 4, Euro 5 and EV. Regardless of the model within the Stralis Euro 4, Euro 5 and EV family, we access the Vehicle Technical Data module to select the corresponding engine type and to consult the information on the distribution phasing. In the procedure, we can see how the different special tools that must be used within the Jaltes tools family appear in the header. These special tools also appear in each of the steps where they will be needed.